from your evil, forgetting that under the sun, nothing can be hidden. You can bury the truth for a season, but remember, oh yeah, seasons come and go, but the truth will remain, yeah. Oh, who is it? Anaye mete yanike. Oh, Jeze. Anaya wata yanamba. Ogo namba. Okwanya lorono wanyaka gabwe. Isiga bweze no wanyaka gabu. Wayo, wadi kwebu. Kaiwere wayo, ibu wanaka kwaga. You gonna know.
She's not at home.
Did she tell you where she was going to?
She did not tell me where she was going to. Any problem?
See, girl, I know she's inside, alright? Can you please help me talk to her?
What do I tell her?
I need her to hear my own side of the story.
You see, I don't want to get involved. You two are adults, and I believe you both can sort out things. Or better still, end the so-called relationship.
Are you not? Did you call our relationship a so-called?
Prince Obi, you're very, very arrogant. And I don't need to remind you that this is my father's house, and you don't have any right to talk to me anyhow.
Did you just talk to me like that?
I am not Princess Brenda.
One more word from you, I will slap the living daylight out of your eye. Are you mad?
My sister made the greatest mistake of her life, wasting time with you.
Ote, did you just hear this girl?
Very loud and clear, my prince. Loud, very loud and clear.
Loud and clear.
Very, very loud.
You did nothing.
Can I go and beat? Can I beat
my friend, come and take me out of here.
Are you want me to go, sir? Okay.
My God.
The throne is never for free, but the crown is neither for sale. The mystery goes beyond what your eyes can see. The price is higher than what your mind can save. Anaye mete yanike. Anaye mete yanike nuwe. Ojeze. Anaya wata yanamba. Anaya wata yanamba. Okwanya lorono wanya.
I've been working very hard to be a man.
What do you do now?
Well, I'm in charge of road construction in the southeast. And my father is the CEO of Perizol Oil.
Perizol Oil?
Yes.
But I was told the owner of Perizol Oil is a king.
Well, you see, my father is a king in his own ways. And my father has lots of secrets. I think I'm taking after my father on that.
Oh. I see. So,
I'll be going to India next month for a course. But before then, I'd like you to come see my father so he can bless us.
So he can bless us?
Yes.
I must say, you are a very patient man.
Well, for a man to be in my position, he has to be very patient.
And what is the position?
Well, don't worry. Very soon. Very soon you will find out. Smile for me, baby. You see the way you're smiling now, huh?
You're scheming, you're evil, forgetting that under the sun nothing can be hidden. You can bury the truth for a season, but remember, oh yeah, seasons come and go, but the truth will remain, yeah. I'm praying every day for paradise, but some others are living in paradise.
Welcome. You're welcome. Where is Oma?
My queen, she went out. She said she was going to see her mother.
Where is my son?
Upstairs.
Has he eaten?
My queen, I don't know.
Excuse me? You don't know? What is your duty in this house?
I'm sorry, my queen, but you said I should only take care of the laundry.
Where is Ego?
She's with the princess in her room.
Call her for me.
Alright, my queen.
What is it? What happened to you? Did my brother beat you?
Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, and you have no shame. These are bad people, bad humans, sneaking around, sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done.
Is Oma back?
She's not back yet.
Tell her to see me as soon as she comes back.
Yes, my queen.
In fact, be at the gate. Make sure she doesn't speak to anybody when she returns. Bring her straight to me.
Yes, my queen.
Look what you've done. Look what you've done. And you have no shame. And you have no shame. These are bad people, bad humans, sneaking around. They're sneaking around. Look what you've done. Look what you've done. Oh yeah, she's a bad woman, sneaking around, sneaking around.
You come back here. The queen said I should bring you immediately.
Yeah. Okay. Let me change, I'm coming.
I said you should come back here. Change what? You are not going to change anything. No?
To my uniform.
You are going with me immediately.
And why is that?
Because it's an order from the queen.
See, my guy, is she very angry?
Who is your guy? Look at this one. Are you ready to go with me or should I carry you?
My friend, let's go. Are you mad?
See, Queen asked me not even allow you to speak to any lizard in this compound, let alone of this argument. Don't force me to lose my anger on you now.
Calm down, eh? Just calm down. Move. I'll go behind you.
As what? Be going. The other day you was in the kitchen running mouth. Today is my turn.
Oh, wait. Just answer me. Is she very... Wait now. Is she very angry? I just want to know. Please.
Just want to know. The other day that you gave me a chicken wing, you don't know that one day I'll be of help to you. If she's very angry, go and face her. Be going now.
Come. Bianwo can be coming down. No? Be coming down.
It's like you like this.
Okay, wait. Okay, I will go. Are you mad? See, what do you want to do? Don't try it.
Then you better respect yourself. Be going.
Which way?
This way. To the throne room. Be fast. Today's my turn.
My friend, shut up.
The queen will order me to deal with you mercilessly. Be going.
Are you sure she's not angry?
Be going, no.
Sneaking around, they're sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Don't you have no shame, don't you have no shame. I don't know.
Your Majesty, here she is.
Privacy. My queen.
What were you doing there?
My queen, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I didn't mean to barge in. I'm really sorry.
Who sent you? Start talking and don't lie to me. Who sent you, Oma?
My queen, nobody sent me. I swear with my life, nobody sent me. I only went there to see my brother.
Excuse me? You went there to see your brother? In a hotel? You went to see your brother in a hotel? Of all places?
My queen, my brother works there. I can even call him on the phone so you could confirm.
For how long has he been working there? For how long has he been working there?
He's been working there for 4 years.
What?
He's the hotel supervisor there. Does he know me?
I don't know. I don't know, my queen. I don't know.
Now listen. Nobody should hear about what you saw today. Did you hear what I said?
Of course, my queen.
Wait. If anyone hears about what you saw today, you will not leave to tell the story.
My queen, don't you trust me anymore? You've trusted me with secrets bigger than this. I promise nobody is going to hear about it. I promise.
Oma.
Yes, my queen.
Get out.
Oh lo 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 lo, you want me? La 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 la, you want me? My baby, now, baby.
Hello, my love. Listen, the queen is threatening my life. So if anything happens to me, just know she's responsible. Alright. Love you too. Hello, brother. Hello, can you hear me? Listen, I'm in trouble. The queen is threatening my life. I can't explain it right now, but in case anything happens to me, just know the queen is responsible, alright? Okay, bye.
Listen, I will get angry with you if you don't tell me what the problem is.
Sorry.
What are you sorry about? What is it?
So why you letting your greed take over your good sense of judgment? My brothers and sisters, what is so special? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Oh, yeah. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, and you have no shame. Don't you have no shame, no shame. Look what you've done. Oh yeah, she's a bad woman, sneaking around.
Who's that?
Look what you've done.
Come in.
What you've caused. Bad people, bad human, they're sticking around. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? I don't understand the reason why people people kill people.
Are you alright? I heard you groaning in pain.
Yeah. Machine hurts.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry about that. Can I get some ointment and massage it?
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Alright.
Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Don't you have no shame? No shame.
Come in.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Easy there. You look good.
Thank you, my friends. But I hope you're not trying to flatter me.
Oh no. Why will I flatter you? Of course, you look good.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
But I'm surprised you're sounding so soft. Because I heard... I'm sorry. I heard you are very, very rude. Because... So... A cute prince like you cannot be rude.
Well, everyone is entitled to their opinion, is it there?
I'm sorry. My prince, can I come back to do this again?
Why not? Free to come.
Then, I'm at your service, my prince.
How about if I ask you to stay back and keep me company?
I will do anything for you, my prince. Anything.
Come here. Sit.
Should I?
Yeah, why not? You have a very nice waist.
Thank you, my prince.
Your boyfriend, I know, Faye.
Well, I don't have a boyfriend.
Hey, Don't go that lane with me. How can you say you don't have a boyfriend?
I'm serious. I don't have. Actually, I'm keeping my body for the right one. Rather, the right man.
So who is the right man?
I don't know yet.
Right man.
I don't know yet. It hasn't come yet.
So,
I don't know. But I'm not saying.
we'll see to that. We'll see.
My queen, you sent for me.
Where is Ego?
My queen. She has been crying since the time you left.
Has my son eaten dinner?
My queen,
Where is Oma?
She... My queen, I don't know where she is.
Look for her and tell her that I want to see her.
Oh, is it? Anaye mete yanike. Oh, Jesus. Anaya wata ya namba. Ogo namba. Okwonya roro wa nyaka kabwe. Isiga.
Oh, that your hair. The maid said you did not take your dinner.
Did you go to the palace today?
Yes, I did.
Did you see Princess Brenda?
No, I didn't go inside.
Stop going there.
Father, what could be your reason?
I'll tell you when the time is due.
Okay, Dad, can we go inside and have our dinner?
I'm not hungry. Where is your brother?
I don't know. I think he went out.
I heard Prince Odimgbe came back.
Father, can we not talk about that illegitimate son? I don't want to remember what the mother did to you. Please, can we go inside and eat?
I will join you later.
Okay, Dad, I'll be waiting.
Snitch. For how long have you been standing there? So, Omar, you finally gotten what you wanted, right? And you have the mind to stay in there till this hour. I don't know what you're talking about. What are you saying? I saw everything. I mean, I even heard everything. You've been in there since evening. Gosh. You don't have to be too surprised. I told you, didn't I? I told you I was going to have him. And I did. Oh, please. The queen wants to see you. My queen, you summoned me.
Lock the door and get the key. Omar, you know, there are some stones that must be left unturned, but some should definitely be turned.
My queen, if you think that I would let anyone know about what happened to the king, then you're making a very big mistake.
Omar,
my queen.
You think I should trust anyone with such secret?
My queen, I will keep your secret until I die.
Should I put you on the oath? Omar. Oath.
If that would make you believe me, then it's fine by me. I am your servant.
let the secret remain a secret. Else.
Bad woman, bad woman. Bad people, bad human.
Do you have to go throwing yourself at him like that? This is the second time today.
Do you know what it means for the next king of Anupa kingdom to take you into his bedroom? My dear, it is a golden opportunity. It is a dream come true. Tell me, which woman wouldn't want to associate with the next king of this kingdom?
Oma, what do you think he thinks of you? What?
I have taken very good care of him, more than any woman has ever did. So he said, what is your business if I am throwing myself at him?
All I'm trying to say is that...
Please, keep your advice to yourself. I don't need it. I have been waiting for this golden opportunity. And now that it has come, you want to be the preacher that will stop me from grabbing it? No. Mind your business. Mind your business.
Bad people, bad human.
I think I have to get rid of her. I must get rid of her to make sure that this secret dies with her. Yes. This is what I must do.
Good morning, my friends. Breakfast in bed. Up, 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 up. I got you breakfast.
That's so sweet of you.
Thank you. I would do anything at all to make you know and feel that you are the next king of Anukba Kingdom.
I'm already feeling like a nice king.
Don't forget to let me know if you need anything. Sorry. Alright? Maybe I should just remain here and what you eat you need.
I like you.
I love you.
Don't you think it's nice to go downstairs? Maybe my mom would want you to do something for her. Just saying.
Okay. But don't forget to let me know if you need anything at all.
Sure. Thanks for the breakfast.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Good morning, my queen. What were you doing in there?
I went to serve the prince breakfast.
By this time, what happened to the dining?
My queen, he said I should get the food to his bedroom.
And you are dressed like this to serve the breakfast in his room. Obi, why would you allow that girl in there? Your father's bedroom. Why would she serve you food in here?
Why are you upset, Mom? Since I came back, have you bothered to ask what I'm gonna eat?
I always instruct them to serve you whatever you desire to eat.
Well, Mom, allow me to enjoy my breakfast, please. The deed has been done.
Have you seen Ugochi?
I don't want to talk about her.
Any problem?
Ugochi followed another man.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
Followed who?
I don't know, some guy right in front of me.
You know it's not possible. What about your child?
What? What child?
Oh. She didn't tell you she has a son for you.
Ugochi has a son for me.
Well, she has a son for you last year
When your father was still alive, he asked her to bring the child for blessing, but she refused.
You gotta be kidding me right now, right? Are you sure about what you're saying?
Yes. But you have to calm down. Obi! Obi! Look at him this. I really got you on this. That's me. Oh, what do I do?
Whatever we fall prey to should die in evil forests. May what we eat be easy to locate us every day. Chukwu Okike, this kola nut Prince, what is it?
Where is that Jezebel you call a daughter? I need her to come out here and tell me the reason she hid my son from me. And even you as a father. I'm highly disappointed in you for being part of this bullcrap.
My prince, do not come to my house this early morning with foul mouth.
Where's Ugochi?
And who is looking for her?
If I slap you, you will lose continuity. Are you mad? Where's your daughter? Where is your daughter? If she doesn't come out here, I'm going to raise this roof down and nobody will ask me anything about it. Where is she for the last time?
My prince, I'm only quiet because your father, our king, is lying lonesome in the mortuary. And you are the prince of this land. If not, what I would have done to you, only God knows. Now, get out of my compound. I say get out of my compound.
I see you want to go that lane with me. Are you really ready for this? Are you ready?
Get out.
The next time I come here, I promise you, it will be blood.
Get out of my sight. Bet me? Get out!
Do you want to bet me?
I said get out! Get out of my compound. Get out!
Who is it? Anaye mete yanike. Ocheze. Anaya bata yanamba. Ogunamba. Okwonya no wanyaka gabwe. Isiga bweze no wanyaka gabu. Wayo wadi kwebu. Kaiwere wayo ibu wanakapaga.
Papa, I like the way you just spoke to him. He thinks he can go to anybody's house and threaten anybody he sees there. Eh? Who is he?
Don't mind him. He's a mad dog. Don't mind him. He came here to interrupt my prayers. Oja, I got here time. Fans do. And my old Chuku.
Wayo wadi kwebu. Kaiwere wayo ibu wanakapaga.
No, I have come to inform you of what I'm going to do to Ichi Onochie and his daughter, and certainly I must do it.
So what's the problem?
Tell him to tell his daughter Ugochi to bring my son to me today or tomorrow.
Obina, why are you allowing yourself to be distracted at this point in time? Instead of behaving like a prince that you are. Your father is lying there at the mortuary, cold. And all you could think about is a woman and a child? Is that the kind of king you will be?
Is that all you have to say? Is that all you have to say?
I thought you came here for something very important.
Okay then, you will hear this course.
I don't want you. I see more getting at you. Oh, who is it? Oh, who is it? And I am a Tayanike. And I am a Tayanike. No way.
I was told you're going around telling people that I have your son. What son are you talking about?
My mother told me everything.
Your mother told you everything? Like how she got me pregnant? Oh, I see she's angry that I don't come around to lick her ass. And I'm not one of those who can intimidate with her wickedness.
You don't talk about my mother in that manner.
Oh, I will talk to your mother in any manner I deem fit. What would you do?
It's very simple. I will slap you and you will lose continuity.
Hey! Hey! You listen to me, you young drunken man. You see this woman right here? I will not hesitate to kill you or any other man who messes with her. Have I made myself clear? I will not warn you again. Hey, let's go back to the car.
Sure.
Are you mad?
I haven't forgotten in a hurry, Indian or Lebanese, anywhere you come from.
Whatever that means, get out of my way. Hey!
Avoid transfer of aggression. Last warning.
Where's my son? Get out. Are you mad? We're heading to the car. Are you mad? If you touch my door, I'll kill you. If you touch my car, I kill you.
Now this is what I want you to do. Find out all the details about that boy. Today! Now. Yes, sir.
I don't want you. I see more getting at you. Oh, who is it? Oh, who is it?
Odimgbe. Hey, you remembered me today. Council of Traditional Rulers meeting in Abuja on Thursday. That's good. Who is flying us? Okay, that's good. No, I'll be available. I'll be available.
Anaya wataya namba Ogo namba Okwanyo ruru wanyaka gabwe Isiga boise no wanyaka gabo Wayo wayo Wadi kwebu Kaiwere wayo Igo wanaka kwaga Nogono Ajamado Gene so Ajamwaye Asimo gene cho Obueze Anaye mete yanike Anaye mete
Oh yes, Father will be joining us shortly. Meanwhile, what's the while?
Water will be fine.
Come on, darling. You can't come to a palace like this and demand for just water. We have champagnes, all kinds. Dom Perignon, Louis XIII.
Water is okay. Water.
Are you sure about that?
Very sure.
Very well then. Water it is. Oh, Father is here. Father. You alright? Hey, Don. Ugochi! God! 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 Ugochi! Father! Ugochi! God! God!
So you are alive.
Let no one hear about it. Son?
Father.
Let me leave you people. Make yourself comfortable. Maybe attend to other issues, eh?
Okay, Father.
And remove those.
And why would she remove them, Mother?
Excuse me?
You heard me clearly, Mother. Why would she remove them?
Did you give her those to wear?
Oh, yes, I did.
Why?
You know, she's gonna be my wife, so I need her to start dressing up as royalty.
I beg your pardon. This is unacceptable. Unacceptable. This is ridiculous. Wait, you want this thing to be your wife?
Mom, can you please take a chill pill and try not to be up in the hill? Look at her. Royalty looks good on her. Look at her crown.
Oti,